Listen. I won't scream to prove I'm intelligent. I won't hide behind words you don't understand. I'll say the word, then I'll tell you what it means.
In a lumps of impossible to escape, you heard 8 syllables and thought your brain might break. Perspicacious, perceptive, seeing through the skies. I read between dimensions while you stare at the lines. Sesquipedalian, long words, that's the definition. You call it complicated, I call it linguistic precision. Obfuscation, deliberately making things unclear. I'm explaining every word while removing your fear. Defenestration, throw it out the window. I'm throwing out limitations with every syllable. Pulchritudinous, beautiful, aesthetically divine. A 12-letter compliment and you thought I lost my mind.
You don't know the word,
I'll define it while I rhyme it. Your vocabulary is limits, I'm showing you where I find them. Don't call it complicated just because you can't decode it. I build a linguistic labyrinth, now watch me navigate through it. Now zoom in. Microscopic, too small for the naked eye. Subatomic, beneath the atom where the particles hide. Quantum discrete, packets of energy and light. Quark, fundamental matter buried deep inside. Leptonic, relating to electrons and their kind. Bosonic, force carrying particles by design. Planckian scales where classical ideas start to fracture. Quantum fluctuation, temporary changes in the vacuum structure. Superposition, multiple possible states coexist until measurement selects the state that persists. Entanglement, correlations across distance. Separated space, yet linked in their quantum existence. Heisenberg uncertainty limits what can't be known. Measure position precisely, momentum becomes unknown. Zoom. Macroscopic, large enough for human eyes. Terrestrial, relating to Earths beneath the skies. Planetary worlds revolving through celestial space. Stellar, the physics of stars and incandescent states. Galactic, billions of stars bound by gravity. Intergalactic, vast spaces where galaxies travel free. Cosmological, concerning the universe as a whole. Astronomical numbers so immense they swallow what we know. Nebula, clouds where stars can form. Gravitational, mass bend space-time around. Relativistic, where velocity changes time's relation. Singularity, where equations reach a straight destination. Microcosmic to macrocosmic, from the quantum to the cosmic. Subatomic to astronomical, one mind crossing every scale possible. You call it complicated, I call it vocabulary. You call it impossible, I call it another boundary. Flush an ocean of helipolification, treating something as worthless. A word so long you nearly gave up before the chorus. Numen ultra microscopic silicovolcanic coniosis disease from inhaling microscopic cervical particles. You wanted a simple word, I gave you the definition. Now watch me turn a medical term into Risnib ammunition. Casey Dice establishing Tamarianism, markerization to dismartering an established institution. You thought it was just a long word, now you've learned its definition. I don't use complexity to pretend that I'm profound. I explain every concept and then build another compound. Homology shapes transform without losing their connection. Symmetry repeating structures with mathematical convexity. You chain, you geometry built on planes and straight lines. Metric written character where parallel rules reach a line. Tools are multi-dimensional mathematical relation. Beta, magnitude, interaction, and spatial calculation. Eigen state, a quantum state with a defined observable Billy function. From a bacon to skirting what's possible. Bringing core to the cosmos. From the atom to the stars. From Planck scale mathematics to the architecture of Mars. Microcosmic, cosmic, logical. One vocabulary, infinite scales. You thought the words were the point. They weren't. The words were the map. The universe was the subject.